Welcome to Cozy Home. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of chalk marker off your chalkboard. And what you're going to need are a Mr. Clean eraser, a bowl of water, and a towel. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my eraser wet. And then I'm just going to scrub these off. And the next thing you're going to do is just dry your board. And now you're going to repeat it one more time. Let's say that you have a line that's here of chalk that isn't coming off and it's been sitting for a very long time. And what you need to do is you just grab your marker and you go back over it like this. And just scribble all over it and then wait a little bit and then just repeat the process with the wet Mr. Clean. And then you just dry it again and you just keep doing that until you get to the desired clean chalkboard that you like. Your chalkboard is ready for you to draw your design. If this was a helpful tip for you guys, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys next time.